once again, hi everyone. I'm Gangar Gupta, founder and CEO of FinanceCard.com. So FinanceCard is basically an AI-driven next generation neutral marketplace bank for instant customized reports on loan and other financial products, and provide credit access to MSMEs and underserved people now from the formal sector, and works as a financial matchmaking platform with unique algorithm along with alternative credit data decisions. So I'll discuss in the next slide more details about it. Next slide, please. I'll discuss founding team later on.
Okay. Problem statement, please.
Yeah. So we believe that access to credit is a powerful tool to create meaningful social and economic impact. We also believe that for every borrower there is a lender. So we at financecard.com are trying to match those borrowers to that lender. If we talk about the problem statement, what we are trying to solve. So if we go through the data, we find that only 1 out of 8 agriculture households are able to get credit from the formal sector of lending. There's a hassle of multiple visits to different banks and financial institutions to now get to know about the different rate of interest, processing fees, and also how much convenient it it, uh, it would be how much convenient to get the loan from that particular bank. So if we talk about visiting different bank, that creates a lot of hassles to the people. The third problem which we have come with the data that less than 3% of total credit flow to agriculture was towards the farmer mechanization. So it's a very low figure. And the next problem which we are taking into that approximately 30% of India is still borrow from the money lenders. That's a very big gap of availing access to credit. Only 20% of the population have credit scores. Rest people don't have credit score. That's why they are not able to get lending from the formal sector of banks and BFCs. And cost of servicing and sales is too high with traditional set of credit distribution in India. And over 20 trillion MSME credit gap is there in India. MSME credit stands only 5% of the gross total credit of the bank. So if we go through the entire problem statement, we find that there is a huge credit gap in MSME as well as tier 2 and tier 3 cities in India. So we have come with a solution. Next slide, please. So first of all, we are building an AI-driven financial matchmaking platform. So so first solution we are building, that is AI-driven financial matchmaking platform, where we'll be matching the right borrower to the right lender and we'll be recommending the best suitable product based on their profile. The second solution will be for the farmers. We have seen that only 3% of total credit flow was the agriculture farm mechanization. So FinanceCard is increasing the productivity by increasing the farm mechanization penetration in India through the sustainable financing for income producing assets. And the third solution which we are offering, we are building hyperlocal credit scores for the farmers who don't have any credit data to analyze their income strength. So we are digitizing their entire agriculture households and finances in the form of hyperlocal credit scores, so that we can build their digitize their farm capabilities into what it costs. The next thing in the value chain is financial institutions. We help financial institutions achieve higher risk adjusted returns by enabling them to lend in a cheaper, quicker, and secured manner. And third, next stakeholder is farmer. We help farmers access financing for equipment cheaper and faster with the hyperlocal credit score. And we also connect with the vendors. We help vendors sell more and offer customers offer their customers the financing solutions. So FinanceCard leverages various data points to generate the hyperlocal credit score and to provide the alternative credit data decisions. Next slide, please. if we talk about the market size, we have 50 billion in target market in India. There is a 300 billion plus market in India, targeting only 50 billion target market. So out of 50 billion, 12 billion comes from the two segment of population. 80% will come from 85% of 12 billion comes from the unbanked population, which are dependent, which are either dependent on family and friends or unorganized source of lending, and 15% comes from the people shifting to the other banks for their better transactional experience. So that's all the market size we are talking about. The next slide, please. So what are the USP and game changers of this concept? The first of all, we are using AI and ML for financial matchmaking. We are also now creating an advanced level AI-based neutral advice call center without human interface, and automating the entire query management system to provide instant resolution in different native languages of users. We are now already using AI and ML for alternative credit data decisioning. We will be providing digital credit time to MSMEs as well as farmers and merchants. The third one is platform sharing through API. So API based strategic partnership with different financial institutions, providing them a wider range of financial products across customer segments that they can utilize. If we talk about marketing and operational USP, so we are operating into phygital mode, combining digital and physical value chain. We are connecting entire set of CSCs, SSGs, Kirana stores, and MSMEs across India. We are also providing free CIBIL score to all the users. We are building kind of Kubernization of model of distributing financial products in India, so that can be distributed and matchmade at their doorstep services. FinanceKart also deploys a B2B2C model, partnering with businesses who are sellers, input equipment, buyers, and that can increase the access of financial services to them. Next slide, please. So business models we are talking about. We have recently launched the website, and app is yet to be launched. So customers can come to our platform and provide basic details and can select the products. As soon as they select the products, or AI recommends the best suitable product based on their profile, whatever information they have provided, and that is how they select the bank. And ultimately, that our platform is connected with the APIs of different banks and NBFCs, and product can be purchased, and we are charging to the respective banks and NBFCs on each successful sale. We are not charging anything to the customers. So that's how the business model works. Next slide, please. So go-to-market strategy, I think I have already discussed in the USP segment. That B2B2C model, phygital mode, and creating advanced level AI-based call center. We are partnering with CSCs, around 3.5 lakh CSCs across India. They will be working as our POS, and urbanization, creating various FinanceKart experts across India who will be working as a freelancer. Next slide, please. If we talk about current traction, we have generated 1 million plus revenue in the last financial year. We have 10,000 plus registered customers on our platform. We have 500 plus channel partners who are working as retailers and distributors. We have onboarded 40 plus banks and NBFCs on our platform. So this is the current traction. Next slide, please. If we talk about rewards recognition, since within 1 year of operation, company has got various rewards and recognition across India. So if we talk about one by one, so it is a huge list. We have been selected for the National Philalia of FinTech 18 organized by IIM Lucknow. It's a Government of India recognized startup. We have been the finalist for NASSCOM India FinTech Awards 2019 under financial inclusion category in the very first year of operation. We are selected for the virtual incubation program of NASSCOM 10,000 startup. Currently being incubated, selected for incubation at Sci-Fi IIM Lucknow. which is supported by SIDBI and UPAID. It's a native recognized startup as well. Have been selected, got selected for SDFC Bank Digital Innovation Summit Hyderabad, and recently got selected, as a top 3 fintech startup in Ideathon 2019 at Vibrant Startup and Technology Summit 2019, and got awarded by Deputy CM of Gujarat. The platform is also now got onboarded and Find Fintech Investment and Deal, that is joint initiative of Mumbai Fintech Hub and Government of Maharashtra. FinanceCart has also been recently appointed as CCI, Credit Counseling Institution by SIDBI, for handholding and supporting MSMEs across India and credit facilitation. Next slide, please. Last month, FinanceCart has also got selected for incubation at Feed IIM Kasipur under RKVY Raftar program. FinanceCart also got selected as as top 50 startups in Conquest 2020, organized by Bits Pilani. And now this last month, FinanceCart has also got selected for Fidelity Awards for Fintech Startups YAQ. What is your agility concept? Agility quotient, organized by NASCOM and Fidelity Investment. We have also been selected for the final round of Inclusive Fintech 50 that elevates promising fintech startups driving financial inclusion and resilience around the globe.
Hello.
This has also been selected for 6 months accelerator program of Supreme Incubator, New Delhi. We are now entering into a strategic partnership with SIDBI that has already been mentioned earlier. We are onboarding Bank of Baroda as well for distribution of Mudra and MSME through our platform. We have diversified and launched one more platform, that is FinanceCart Pay, which provides APS and DMT services. And recently we have received interest from Indian Angel Indian Angel Network and under .bc for the investment as well. So we are in talk with them to raise the seed round of funding for angel industry. Thank you. That's all about FinanceCart.
Yeah.